live stream. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Gigabyte motherboard that I won off of eBay. The GA-6V, I can't remember the rest of it, UX4X. I can't remember the exact number now. Anyway, it's considered the banana board, the original banana board before the Chinese took over, before, whatever that name of that site is, I used to go to. Well, actually, I went in there once, and that was it. AliExpress has made the El Cheapo versions. They're somewhat reliable, except for the BIOS chips would just suffer all the time. And a fellow YouTuber, Discorder and Bowgunner, Lucky Bot picks up one of those boards not too long ago. I remember watching a stream where he used a newer, he put a PLC socket on it, which makes it easier to remove the chip itself. That way you can reinstall the BIOS, upgrade the BIOS, things of that nature. One thing that Gigabyte did right on their later boards was the backup BIOS. You see, it has better packaging material than this piece of shit. That person's like, oh yeah, I put adequate packaging. Wrong. Want to see the adequate packaging, quote unquote, adequate packaging the person put in for his 8045Q? Look. A couple boxes, a couple bags, airbags, water bottles. That's all. Zero bubble wrap, and even a little box set. If there's one thing I learned about shipping items, it's always double box. It's always put a crap ton of bubble wrap around everything and put it in a correct size box. And in some cases, double box. Lesson learned: always buy local. Never buy on eBay. Well, the monitor. Well, the pair screens, that is. Never, or TV sets, or TRTs, LEDs, that shit. Because you don't know what they're going to break. Anyway, we got the other packaging off of there. Let's go ahead and here. Looks like I got a couple pieces of those Amazon boxes. I have one envelope. And there's another Amazon envelope. And here it is. Although, like of anti-static,